Guido, what happened?
Give me a corn dog.
I don't got corn dogs.
Well, stop. Leave me alone. Put it back in the fridge.
What, in tiny ears?
His ears are dirty.
Oh.
What?
What?
No, they're not. You're a liar.
They're right. I see it right there.
Right there?
Right there.
No, they're not.
I
Look at my ears every other no. Get that fucking camera out of here, dude.
There it is. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. He works out.
Oh, what the fuck, man?
Guido. Anna. Oh, yeah. That's a nice finger. I like that finger. It's my favorite finger.
Excuse me?
No. Oh, fuck. Get that cat off of me. Stop. Ow.
That looks painful.
I wasn't even biting.
I haven't felt it. I don't know. I've just felt it.
I wasn't even biting him.
Go away, Howard. Pedigree.
Pedigree.
Dude, that's so warm. Stop. Get off of me. Don't touch my ass, you pinky little bitches. What the fuck? Turtle shell.
Don't worry.
Howard, stop. Ah.
So you're Howard 2?
I'm Howard. No, you're Howard 1. I'm Howard 2.
Dipshit 1, dipshit 2. Hi, Howard 3. He has a clap.
No.
No, bad turtle. Bad.
Ah, my ass.
Bad.
You're what?
Stop, leave me alone. Don't fucking with me. I didn't do anything to you. Stop. Can a nigga sleep?
No.
Shit.
No.
Eat my tits.
Ow. That sounds hot. Ow.
Stop. Don't break my... No.
What?